Here we are, day one. Yeah, buddy.
So it begins.
She said, hello mister, pleased to meet you. I wanna hold her, I wanna kiss her. Gonna take her for a ride on a big jet plane. Gonna take her for a ride on a big jet plane. Can I take you higher? Can I take you higher? She said, hello mister,
What is your
pleased to
plan?
meet you. I wanna hold her, I wanna kiss her. She smelled of daisies, she smelled of daisies. She drive me crazy, she drive me crazy. Gonna take her for a ride on a big jet plane. Gonna take her for a ride on a big jet plane. Can I take you higher? Can I take you higher? Can I take you higher? Can I take you higher?
Okay, so here we are on day one. Sunday, what is today?
30th.
The 30th. And I had a giant inflatable, Nemo, and Nemo got lost. Nemo!
Oh no, it's recording.
We'll probably do it.
It's happened.
Yep.
I'm making sure I know how to work this thing.
I make it stop.
Leighton, I don't know how to turn your camera off.
Multi-years. Water balloons and
Really? That one's higher. You can put that thing down. Hey!
You dumbass. Rev that engine. Okay. Watch this El Cara.
We're leaning just a little bit. You can tell from the stove. That's level. It's all clear.
Alright, we can bring it down.